Hi everyone, today we are making a creamy Mediterranean green Gazpacho. It's fresh, silky, packed with flavor, and it's perfect for hot summer days. Let's go! Yeah, it's definitely a refreshing recipe. I start with the garlic. I peel it. I'm checking if I need to remove the sprout, but no, that's fine. If the sprout is green, yeah, you have to remove it. You want to avoid the bitterness. And now I want to chop it as finely as possible. And of course you've got all the ingredients into the description below. I'm going to do the same with the shallot. I just need a quarter of the shallot. I'll keep the rest for later, for another recipe. And now I'm going to peel my avocados. I have to say that those avocados need to be ripe. This one isn't, then bad choice. But that's fine, we are going to do something with it, you'll see. I'm taking a mixing bowl and I'm making my gazpacho into it. And if you want more Mediterranean recipes, then subscribe to the channel. I'm taking a lime. I'm doing this because it will be easier to take the juice from it. This one is very small. Too bad I couldn't find a big lime. And I want to press it with a fork. And of course you can make it into a blender, it works as well. Okay, good. We will continue later with the hand blender. I add the olive oil. I'm adding the shallot and the garlic. I take the water and the hand blender. Of course you can replace the water by the vegetable stock, it's better. Or even almond milk. Yeah, what you want to have is something pretty much liquid. This is a gazpacho. Yeah, perfect. I'm preparing the fresh basil. I love the basil. We could have replaced it by mint, parsley. The fresh herbs will develop the flavor while it will be into the fridge. Some salt, of course. And black pepper. I cover the gazpacho and I put it into the fridge at least 40 minutes. During that time I'm going to roast my almonds and I turn the oven on to 200 degrees. I took white almonds. Yeah, and it will last 15 minutes maximum. And after 15 minutes they are ready. I love the smell of roasted almonds. I just let them cool down a little and now I want to chop them. That's how crispy. And no worries if you don't have almonds, you can replace them by roasted peanuts. You can serve it into a glass, of course, but I'm alone, then it's going to be my whole meal. If you serve it into a glass, don't hesitate to be very generous with the almonds. I'm zesting a lemon now, so the taste is definitely different from a lime. The lime juice will match perfectly with the lemon zest. A pinch of paprika or sweet pepper. That's optional, of course, but I think it's a good match with the avocado. And I finish with the fleur de sel. And that's it, silky, fresh and incredibly flavorful green gazpacho, perfect for hot summer days. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next Mediterranean recipe. Bye!